Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we're in Big City Jack's recording studio in Bury. We're going to be doing some racking of gear. We're rebuilding the studio control room. We've bought some new furniture, we've got a bunch of gear to put in the racks, so we're going to start doing it. Now, I brought along a little helper this week in the form of my son Hunter. He's going to be helping me by just being a general handyman, passing tools, helping me rack equipment. You excited?
Yes, very excited to be here, thank you.
All right, let's crack on. I don't know how that looks, but...
So should I call you Oliver if I'm speaking to you, or should I call you Daddy or Dad?
You can call me Dad if you want.
Okay. I won't say Daddy because I don't want it to be weird. I'll just say, hey Dad, or hey Dad, like that. Because I don't want to say, hey Daddy!
Right, first things first, we need to decide...
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Right, first things first, we need to decide what order we're going to have this stuff in. So, I think, not that you know a lot about this stuff, but I think we should have preamps on this side, and then we're going to have compression on this side.
Okay,
and then
compression preamps.
And then I don't know what we're going to have on that far side.
Random stuff that we
Random stuff.
kinda want.
And we can have the patch bays in the bottom.
Yeah.
So,
True. Cool.
what have we got by the way of preamps? So you see that silver one?
That one. That one.
That one.
That one.
Yep, so you get that one first. Alright, careful, careful, because it's heavy. Right, have you got screws?
Screws. There's screws here.
Okay, so we're going to need 4, yeah?
One. Does it matter?
No? Make sure they've got them washers on.
The weird circle things, you mean?
Yep, they're called washers.
Okay, I thought they were called weird circle things.
Alright, and the drill is here.
They've got...
Yeah.
There's 4 drill.
You've got that. So I'm going to hold the gear
yes,
up.
it's charged.
I'll hold the gear up.
Okay, I got to put one in.
That's it. First one.
Okay,
Hold it nice and straight and push it in. And then get one on this side. Oh, yeah, you got it.
you got it. Oh, that's okay.
Check that side. Almost.
It's going to be a lot of screwing and a lot of putting in today.
Nice. Some of these screws are the best. Cool. Next we're going to go blue one.
Blue one, okay.
Yeah.
Blue one, where?
You need to move. Yeah.
This one?
Be careful with it. Right, you got your 4 screws ready?
4 screws, 1, 2. It's not a thing on it. Circle. There we go. Okay, ready. Wait,
Yeah, bottom first.
Bottom first.
Yeah, screw it on quickly because it's heavy.
Sorry.
Yeah, nice and straight. One more. No, this side. Always the bottom.
Oh, this one.
Bottom first because that holds the device in. Passing through. No? Right.
What thing?
Next blue one. We'll have to keep charging this drill as we go because it's not great.
I've got my 4
If
screws
I get
ready.
that in,
Bottom first.
always the bottom first. As I get you screwy.
Screwy.
Oh, wait.
Got it?
Yeah, go. That's it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Next button.
That's it. Bottom first. Got it.
Okay, this is getting some progress here.
Progress indeed.
We've done 2, 3. 3.
Yeah, we've got a lot more to go yet.
We've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, right.
7,
Excuse me.
8.
Right, next
8.
one. If
We've
you
got
move them
8.
patch bays to
pretty sure.
somewhere else,
What is a patch base?
they're them things that are stacked up, the small blue ones, yeah?
Oh, okay.
So all of that can go
do
to
we
one
need
side.
this?
We will later, but not just yet. We need the 2 things that are below it. So,
I'm just trying not to catch my fingers.
to talk you through the gear that we've got already, so far we've got an Audient ASP 800, an ASP 008. We've then got 2 Neve 1073 DPAs, and we're about to have a Chandler TG2 and a Warm Audio Tone Beast. So, let's go Chandler next. Okay, screws.
Screws. Okay, sorry.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
You can start off with 2.
2, 3.
Because this chandler is no joke. It's very heavy.
Oh, sorry.
Ready? 1,
Go,
2,
go, go,
3.
go, 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 go.
That's it. Get your screws there.
Speed, power. We gotta go turbo mode.
Nice and straight, remember?
Yep.
You're not quite in there, I don't think.
Okay, bro. There we go. I don't know what's going on.
Let me help. Okay, next screw.
Got it.
That's it.
Go.
Once the first screw's in, it's a lot easier to do the rest. Got one more. That's it. Cool.
I'll just do this with this because I'd rather you do it.
That's all right.
I just tried to do something with it, but didn't work.
Okay, next we've got Tone Beast is here. Yeah.
Which one? That one.
So get your 4 screws.
4 screws.
Yeah. So we're ready to go.
There's loads of ones that don't have the circle things on.
Washer.
Washer. Why is it called a washer? It's not like it washes.
That's a very good question. I wish I could answer it, but I don't actually know why it's called a washer.
Is it because it goes like round, like this is the clothes and this is a soap?
I mean, could be.
It's a wash. Screw. Oh my.
I'm sure there's some engineering term. Maybe people in the comments can tell us why it's called a washer.
Please do. Please. Okay. So
Right, see where it's skipping like that?
Yeah.
That's because you have to put a little bit of force on it, yeah?
Like-
Next one. You have to drive the screw in.
There we go.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna put the rest in. Like that.
You've got to put a little bit of pressure on it. Nice and straight, yeah?
Okay. Cool.
So you do the next one, yeah? So watch
Yeah.
me. Nice and straight.
When it's doing that,
Oh,
you
a
go.
little bit of a turn,
Power.
yeah?
Okay.
You hold it up nice and straight. Start your thread off. Yep. See you bending it up like that. Yeah, push, push, push. Oh, there we go. Yep,
What's going
nice
on?
and solid. So next,
Not even
we're going to
moving.
have a blank panel.
A blank panel. Okay.
Now, we're having a blank panel because we might want to add another preamp in here later, so we want to leave space for
Another
it.
wash.
Right, now, how many spaces have we got left? So 2 of them counts as a space, yeah? So
Oh.
1,
Yeah, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 left.
and how many patch bays have we got?
Patch bays.
Yeah.
5.
See where I'm
So
going?
we put the patch bays
Yeah,
on
patch
now.
bays are going in the bottom, yeah? So we're not going to worry about all this cabling.
I'm actually learning something.
All this cabling is next week's video. Now, why bottom first?
Because
About to learn something else.
I don't know.
Right, so
Oh wait,
let's
sorry,
say
I
this,
forgot the
right?
screws.
Let's look at this device, yeah?
Yeah.
It's patch bay.
Uh-huh.
So when you put it in the rack, which way do you think it wants? Whoa! Which way do you think it wants to fall?
Down.
So
Oh, that way.
it wants to tilt. Why does it want to tilt? Because of gravity, yeah.
Because yeah,
So if you put a screw in the bottom,
it's gonna
stops it tilting, yeah.
yeah. But if
And
you
then
put it in the top, it's gonna
It's tilt outwards,
like that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Which makes it harder to put in. So if you put it in the bottom, it can't tilt any past that rail any further, can it? Because it's going to butt up against this rail to stop it tilting.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah, I get
So that's why when you're putting devices in a rack, always go bottom screw first because it makes things a lot easier for you. Especially because certain devices, as you will come to see later on, are incredibly heavy.
Imagine this video's like 30 minutes long. I mean, you've done like hour-long videos, so I don't expect this video to be not that long.
Let's start putting some of the tops in. Alright, first rack is done. So we've got the Furman power conditioner, followed by the Antelope Orion, which is a 32 plus Gen 3. We've then got a 500 series rack that's got 2 Cappy VP28s in and a pair of DIY RE colour palettes. So we've got 4 additional spaces in there if we need them. We've then got, as I was saying earlier, the Audient ASP008. We've got two Neve 1073s. We've got a Chandler TG2, a Warm Audio Tone Beast, finally all the patch bays. So that's going to be rack 1 complete. Now we're going to move on to rack 2.
Are we doing all 3 racks?
Well, I don't think we have enough gear to fill all 3 racks.
If we do, then
This
we can.
one next is the Behringer PowerPlay unit. So this is called a headphone amp. Yeah.
Sweet, cool.
So the headphone amp is going
Can
in
you pass me
here.
the screws and the ones that I've made?
Well, so this device helps the artists that are recording to be able to hear themselves. Okay, so next we're going to have this blank panel, but this is not a normal blanking panel, if you see. Why is it not a normal blanking panel? What do you see different about this one?
Talking to me.
Yeah,
Oh, there's that in the middle.
fur.
There. Different
Oh, okay.
to that one.
Yeah, do you know what that does?
To put cables through.
Correct.
I actually just guessed that.
So when this is in here like this,
Scared me to death.
this one, this one's going to have network cables in it
Network cables. Why?
because
Oh yeah, forgotten to. I don't think this fits on that one.
this works. Look,
Daddy, it's stuck.
that's all right. Look, this one works over network cables. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
So
is it where you can stick them through there and then you?
yeah, exactly. So it makes the
like
rack look
that.
neater. So we need to find out what the next device is.
Do you need more cage nuts?
I will.
Okay.
Which you should have in that pile there, but we need
Yeah,
the
I've got
next device. See that silver one over there?
Wait, the light's in my face. What silver thing? That. Over
Yeah,
there.
or in fact, get me the green one. We'll do the green one next, why not?
Green one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh wait, it's not over.
Yeah, don't worry, that one's not heavy.
I literally just went 3, 2, 1. Here we go, and I was like, oh wait, no, never mind. It's not heavy.
So I've got to push these rack nuts in, right? You just hold onto that for a minute.
I'll put that right there.
Well, I'll just put these rack nuts in.
Rotting is food. Rotting's for food. I didn't know that corroding was the word for that. Now I've learned another thing. Every day's a school day.
See, we got
Do you
our
want me to go get
holes,
the
right?
screwdriver?
No. So I'm going to offer
I've got the screw ready.
screws. A.
The DBX 160A.
That's the one.
And I just
4 more screws,
thought of
yeah?
it from myself, from my mind. We've done it. This is my celebration dance.
So in the second rack, you can now see the second rack's in. First of all, we've got the headphone amp. Then we've got the Line 6 Echo Pro. We've got a pair of Blueys, 2 UA 1176s, a pair of distressors, and finally, a DBX 160A. That's the second rack done.
Thanks for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn post notifications on. If you would like to see more content like this, and more studio updates,
Join us again next time.
join us again next time.
Yes, good job. You heard the boy. Like and subscribe. And if you want to see more like this, join us again next time, which may be next week, where we finish off the rest of the build and we do the cabling. Thanks for joining us
Yeah.
today. See you later.
See you later.